PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is committed to providing the highest caliber commercial furnace repair service in Malvern, Pennsylvania. We specialize in the repair and servicing of residential and commercial furnaces, heat pumps, air conditioners, humidifiers, air cleaners, ventilation systems, and indoor air quality. We also install new furnaces and repair ducting, plumbing, and electrical systems. We will provide you with fast, quality and affordable service. Contact our commercial furnace repair experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the definition of a commercial furnace? Commercial gas furnaces are self-contained systems that provide hot air to a range of structures. What is the most costly furnace repair? Blower motor, circuit board, and ventilation inducer motor are the three most costly components of a furnace. What is your service area for the Malvern office? Our experts in commercial furnace repair have assisted clients in Malvern, Fraser, DeVoe, Kimberton, Malvern Hunt, Chester Springs, Phoenixville, Westchester, Paoli, East Whiteland Township, Charlestown Township, Willstown, Exton, Phoenixville Pike, and East Whiteland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Malvern, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 627 Swedesford Road, Malvern, Pennsylvania 19355. Our phone number is 610-424-6448. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Swedesford-RD-Malvern-HVAC-service.